What's up, riders? Today we're going to be doing a little video downtown. I got the fit on, and basically it's a festival. We're going to see what we can do with this. Walk around a bit, do a little bit of a vlog. Let's go. All right. So, we're here again. Now we're at the festival for the Irish people, showing our pride. Love the Irish, the gingers, the rangas, you know. So we're about to go see if it's free and if I can take this, my bad ride in there. Let's go, just come along. Sadly we can't get into the festival today, boys and girls. I'm too cool for school, can't get in. They won't allow skateboards, and I'm guessing this. So we're gonna go do some other beams. I'm gonna jump this off a curb. We're gonna zoom around, skirt, maybe get some burnouts going. Let's go. Ready for the jump? Jump completed. Watch this burnout. It's hot. We're gonna go continue to skate around. Maybe get some clips of me going down the stairs on a board. Out of 10. All right, energy boost. Look at that. That was so much worse than I thought it was gonna be. Mad tricks for the boys. Save the rest of that for later. Let's go. Time to do some skate tricks.
Wow.
Mad burnouts, look at that. You got a streak right there. Wanna see a wheelie? Skate tricks for boys. Let's pop the curb. You ready?
Yeah.
That's sick or what?